welcome to Rowing Tidbits with Natalie. Today we're going to talk about how to hold your hands while you're sculling. So, you're going to take the oar, you're going to wrap your fingers around, you're going to wrap your thumb around the end, and do that for the other one as well. Your left hand is going to go slightly on top and slightly in front. The boats are rigged that way so that it will stay in balance when you're like that. You reach forward until they separate, and then your right hand can catch up. And then they come together, and they'll be the same way. And yes, I'm in a boathouse, so yes, I'm hitting things. Anyway, that's how you do that. One thing to note with sculling is never let go of your oar, because the second you let go of one oar, you're gonna go swimming. It's just really what's gonna happen.
Now I'll be
Talking about how to hold onto a sweep oar. Now this is a port, which is a little weird for me because I'm a starboard, so bear with me, but it fits in the boathouse. So, you're going to take your outside hand, which is the one farthest away from the oar lock, and put your pinky right in line with the outside of the oar. Dipping that thumb right underneath, grip it nice and lightly. You want to pull most of your force right with these fingers. So, you almost don't even have to hold on. There are some drills you'll do like that. Then the other one, it's going to be at an angle across. See how my fingers kind of go slightly like that on my inside hand. So the inside hand is meant for squaring and feathering. Well, I said that at the wrong time. Feathering and squaring. The outside hand, as you'll notice, just slides around the oar while I'm doing that. The inside hand, that's its job. The outside hand's main focus is raising and lowering the oar, and then pulling as hard as you possibly can. As you can see, even with this boat in slings here, it makes a huge difference where my handle head is. So we'll get to a lot of that in the boat, but it matters. So please subscribe for more videos.